In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. By the end, you'll be connected and ready to place simulated trades through the Topstep demo environment inside TradingView. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to work from. The connection happens from the chart page, so make sure you're on a chart, not just your watch list or ideas feed. Look along the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. Click that tab to reveal the list of supported brokers and platforms. In that list, find and click the Tradevate logo. Topstep routes its TradingView connection through Tradevate, so this is the correct option to use. A connection window will appear. Before you log in, make sure the environment is set to demo. This is important because Topstep provides demo credentials for use in TradingView, and selecting demo ensures your orders go to the correct simulated environment. With demo selected, enter the trading account login information provided by Topstep. Keep those credentials secure and type them carefully, paying attention to capitalization. When you're ready, click the blue Connect button. If everything is correct, TradingView will establish the link and you'll see confirmation in the trading panel. You may also notice the order panel appear on the right side of the chart with your Tradevate connection active. If a permission prompt appears, approve it to allow TradingView to communicate with your account. From here, you can choose your account from the Account dropdown, place simulated orders directly on the chart, and monitor positions and orders in real time. If the connection doesn't complete, double-check that demo is selected, confirm your username and password exactly match what Topstep provided, and make sure your browser is up to date. Disabling aggressive pop-up blockers or refreshing the chart can also help. If you use two-factor authentication, be prepared to complete that step when prompted. And if you still can't connect, log into your Topstep dashboard to verify your credentials are active or reach out to support for additional help. A quick tip: once connected, practice placing a small test order on the chart to confirm everything is flowing correctly. You can always cancel the order if you don't want to leave it working. Also, remember that you're in demo, which is ideal for practice and evaluation. And there you go. Once you've clicked Connect and see the Tradevate link active in the trading panel, you're all set. That's all.